The gospel today is centered on the little ones. At the same time, we are now celebrating the feast of Saint Clare, one of the saints considered as an embodiment of these little ones, somebody that really lived the so-called spiritual poverty, spiritual childhood. You know, in the spiritual childhood, the virtue of humility is central. A virtue that is, first of all, anchored on the reality of the greatness of God and of man's need of God in every moment in his life. When God is the one that is great, and we, weak as we are, if we recognize that, then our actions, our way of looking at others is being colored by this. Everything that is good to us, we know comes only to God. Everything that may be great in us is but a ray that reflects God's greatness. At the same time, what is really ours is but the weakness that is found in us. Humility, as what St. Thomas would say, should always accompany us, whoever we are, whatever we are going through. If we succeed and yet remains humble, we can avoid being proud and look down on other people, because we know very well that the success that we had is but a gift of God. If we fail, then we can readily accept that with peace in our heart, because we know that we are that. Without God, we could not succeed. If we are humiliated, we can accept that with peace again in our heart, because we know very well that we are worthy of it. At the end, for a man and woman living the spiritual childhood, the spiritual poverty in his heart, what is present is really the God who is merciful and loving to the end, and his nothingness. Saint Teresa make it easy to us to understand when she said that, when you look at 1 and 0, 0 seems to be nothing. We are nothing. And 1 is everything. When you place 0 before 1, it's true, it counts nothing. 0 is meaningless if it is placed before 1. But the moment you place 1 before 0, it becomes everything. It becomes something. And so let us always place God before us, not us before God. Remain humble. Remain like a child, always trusting in God's love and mercy. Amen.